Podhochieng jenga Joash udhiambo Mitula. Wachako kamoro ni ogaye duond buch siasa mar ODM Laktar Oburu Oginga oyango ni gionge koda liet manendo mar wacho one term kata two term e kindi koda duond buch siasa nendo mar UDA makmana ni gintiere e piny owacho manywanda manendo broad based kama mosenendo Raila Odinga ne oweyogi ka otwak e kinde romo mag jotelo e duond buch siasa nendo manobagi manendo Mombasa. Laktar Oburu Oginga oyango nigi kore bende mar timo twak kod duond buche siasa mamoko ka gichako kod manendo mar UDA eneno ni yiero mabiro koro gibedo e piny owacho mo gibedo oko. Oyango ni manendo e thor mar wach mabende koro ibiro neno ni oketi tim kendo yango ni gisani gitego duond buch siasa nendo motelo ne yiero ma higa manyien.
I would also like to mention that when our departed leader left us, he left us in somewhere. He did not leave us in the air. He left us on some ground. And this ground where he left us was called broad-based government. And in this broad-based government, we have our partners who are older. Those are our partners with whom he left us. And we are continuing to plow and work hard to fulfill the commitments and the arrangements which brought us together. And one of them is implementation of the 10-point agenda, which we must follow meticulously and make sure that they are implemented to the letter as agreed. This is one of the things we agreed. But as a party, we have also agreed in the previous Central Committee meetings and also in our National Delegates Conference. We agreed that as a party, we are not in a hurry to say one term. We are not in a hurry to say two term. We are strengthening our party to prepare ourselves for negotiations. First, we start with our current partners, and as we move on, if we don't agree, we move on to discuss with other formations which are there. Or if there is no agreement with any, we go it alone as ODM. I think that is the position of the party, and I'm very happy with it. That is what we have been pursuing. Even though some members and honorable members of the executive, I am not very happy that when we pass resolutions here, some of the members of this committee, some of the members of the Central Committee, who are policymakers of this party, go out